Hi y'all, happy Taco Tuesday.
Hey guys, what's going on?
Well, it's not Taco Tuesday because I'm actually taking my man to the movies.
It's movie night.
Yes, y'all know
Discounted Tuesdays.
Okay, we love budget friendly.
Yes.
But yeah, it's a beautiful night. It's cool and pretty. We had a good productive day. Took some headshots, some behind the scenes, kind of like, you know, some pictures and stuff. So that was cool, that was fun. And now to get out of the house, we're gonna go watch a new movie. So I think it's called, what's it called, babe?
Dream Scenario.
Dream Scenario. It has Nicolas Cage, so it's new and it got some high ratings. So
that's what we're going to do.
We'll see how we like it, how the movie goes, and we'll see you at the movie theater. Hey guys.
Hey girlies.
It's another beautiful day in the neighborhood.
It is.
We had a nice movie night last night. We do recommend Dream Scenario. It is a good one, but we came home and crashed.
We really did.
We saw them dreams in the scenario, okay?
We're really knocked out.
Okay,
we didn't get to film anything for you guys, but
it's alright. It's okay. We gotta rest and relax. But now we got a busy day ahead. Bae's running to do errands. And I will be at the Columbia Business School for some side hustle, work stuff. You know, see my homeboy, so I'll see if I can get you guys a little bit of a sneak peek of Columbia Business School's startup something event. So
something he's going to, child.
And then Bae's gonna be holding down the house and cooking dinner tonight.
Oh please, I'm gonna be doing filming my makeup content and my verse content. So you guys better watch out for that because it's some sales going on.
Okay, you know where to get into it. Tap the link down below. So we'll see you and on the road. All love, RV.
To be quite honest. With those, we were able to.
Hey y'all, alright, we are here at the Columbia Business School Startup Venture here with my homeboy Justin.
What's up, what's up?
Okay, session's about to start for lunch and learn. Boom. Talking about retail and technology, so you know it's good for me, so let's check it out.
Someone had said, you know, if you have a prototype, you can probably raise some money. So I drew it out and then I hired or found a UI UX designer on like Fiverr, hired her, and we started working on a Figma prototype.
Alright y'all, got done at Columbia Business School, went to a couple more sessions. It was a good time, educational. I always like seeing the young up and coming entrepreneurs and smarty pants of the future, but now I get to go home, cuddle with my man, my bookie, and enjoy another nice afternoon in the house because it's cold. So I'm on my way.
Hi guys.
Hey.
We're on our way out to Butterfly Room in Soho for Andy's going away.
Yeah, friend, stylist. Yeah, he's moving out of the city onto new adventures.
Going to like Miami, I think so. I don't know. But we're gonna go celebrate him and leaving the city.
Enjoy a night out on a school night.
Exactly, on this good old Wednesday. So, let's see what dress. We just do something together because, you know, Wednesdays, we don't even go out anymore like this, so we just do something on, get outside, and shake our ass and see what happens. Catch y'all later.
Alright y'all, so we're here, we're just about to walk in, but y'all not gonna believe what happened.
Oh my god, you guys. We had a fucking car accident in an Uber.
Yeah, we literally got rear-ended in the car. I was like, oh my god. And Buki's never been in a car accident, so I was like...
That was so fucking scary. Like, my makeup is on the back of the seat.
Yeah, literally. It was just like... It was nuts.
It's not fucking funny.
But we are happy we're safe. That will be reported, and hopefully my man can recover from this arm, neck, and back pain.
Oh my god, I'm like... traumatized. I don't even want to ride in a car anymore.
Alright, well let's have a cocktail to drink about it and talk about it later.
Anything you want to say? We suing. I know that's right. Thank you, Miss Pinkett.
Hey guys, we're outside. Period. Look, I'm still a little injured from the car crash, but hey, you got it so far in my face. Like, good start. Hey guys. I'm still injured from the car crash. I'm dead.
On to the next spot. Heading out with my friends. to the next venture on a school night where you got R&B, drinking way too much, doing way too much.
Like, who's outside this late?
Period, bad bitches.
I'm not that old.
Bad
I'm not that
bitches.
young. I'm like, I don't.
It's a
hang
bad
out.
bitch right here.
I can get it, but I don't hang out that late.
From the park.
Why are you talking so softly? Yeah.
I'm trying like new ASMR,
Oh,
smooth
boy.
talking, because it's a nice, beautiful, relaxing day. So we're talking slow now.
Well, anyway, child, so we came out to, get out the house, had a long night, as you know, we had a traumatic experience, and I just been in a whole little thing all day today. I almost broke my neck, got a concussion, whatever you want to call it, literally smashed my head on the seat in front of me.
Look, we should never joke about accidents like that. But the way that this one is carrying and has been all day.
This is my first car wreck, you guys, and it was scary. Like, that's one of my, life or death situations. I don't want to be in a car crash, and it was my first car crash.
See,
and I'm not living it down. It was very traumatic.
None of us will live it down, but we are moving on to brighter pastures. And today's a beautiful day, and we're resting and relaxing and recovering in beautiful Central Park to get some fresh air, because it's actually kind of warm today.
Yeah, it's nice today. It's like 60, so not too bad.
And so we'll cook it. Oh, look at squirrel. Oh, hey squirrel. Hey squirrely.
Try to word me.
Okay, well, enjoy the park with us, guys.
Yes, let's see how this goes. It's been years.
Period. Tens.
You guys, my stomach has been in a tizzy all day. I'm just like shaken up still from this traumatic experience. Like, literally. So basically I almost died.
You guys, Bae made dinner. Look at these loaded potatoes.
Loaded potatoes, filet mignon. We have some green beans. And we have our cocktails. And we're just gonna watch some television, eat, enjoy the food, and
Period.
enjoy the night.
Exactly.
So Bae is doing his unboxing. Bae, who's this from?
Okay, so I'll tell y'all the story first. My viral video from TikTok about mullein, which is like a healthy extract, was for this brand called Better Brands. They make like healthy supplements and stuff. And so after that milestone, they messaged me and they're like, hey, can we send you some stuff? I was like, yeah, absolutely. So I requested a sample of every single one of their products they have available. And they sent it. So literally, we've got 3 boxes of Better Lung Tea.
Oh my God.
We've got
Better Lung Tea.
3 instances of the Better Lungs Mullein supplement. Daily supplements you can use for your lung health. 3. We got 2 packs of the mullein gummies.
Uh-oh.
For better lung health.
I can't wait to try those.
Okay. And we got 2 packs of the sea moss gummies.
Oh, I can't wait to try those now.
So literally, me and Bae are gonna be healthed up with the healthiest lungs in the world, because I can't believe they sent all this stuff. I don't know how we're gonna go through it, but thank you, Better Brands, for all the Merlin supplies and merchandise. We love you.
Thank you, guys. Hey, guys. We stopped out to get a little happy hour at 5 Napkins in Upper West Side.
It's a happy Friday, so we're celebrating life, and we had to cheers to that.
And cheers to that. So hey guys, we got the artichoke spinach dip. We got the tuna poke nachos here. And we got the, of course, chicken boneless with Korean barbecue sauce and garlic parmesan sauce. Right, babe? Hey guys.
Hey.
Guess what? You're not going to believe it, but we're on the way to sell some more shit.
We're getting rid of so much stuff, all this clutter.
I know, right?
But you know what? You make space for new things. Okay?
I know you guys probably like, dang, are y'all closet not empty yet? No, it ain't. Still a lot more to go. So we're here to drop some stuff off and roam the city a little bit, and you know, maybe get a little bite to eat. Who knows? We got a long night tonight, so
Big day ahead. Big day ahead.
yeah. But it's this way, right? One more. So we got a long day, and we're just gonna enjoy this early afternoon before the night begins.
Okay, get started. Party started. Suck it Saturday. Alright y'all, so we got a little bit hungry, so we had to make a stop from shopping and checking out because I'm looking for new luggages, and look where we came.
We wanted Chick-fil-A, so we got it.
Had to get some chicken, and you know what? We actually ordered drinks, which we did not know this because we both came from the south, but apparently they call them Sunjoys now and not Arnold Palmer's. Because we were like, what's that? And I mean, it's what? Sweet tea and lemonade, so it is the same kind of Arnold Palmer taste, but does it taste the same, babe?
Yeah, it tastes the same. I actually like this a lot. It's good. I like it. No, just a plain chicken sandwich, cheese, tomatoes coming off. Forgot to say that. You know, tomatoes off.
Babe doesn't like tomatoes, but guess what? I'm gonna eat them.
Hey guys, I'm back with another unboxing from SkinFix. They sent over their healthy holiday skin collection. So let's see what they got us, you know. I'm so excited for this. I love my SkinFix. We love that good skincare. We almost run out because it's two of us, so we like running through these skincare products like, you know, like no other. So we need more. And these are my favorites. So they sent more of the collagen activating serum. We love that one. We use that one every day. And they also sent over the Healthy Barrier plus Healthy Planet package. And it's 3 products in there. It is the foaming oil cleanser, the more of the peptide cream, and a refillable of the eye peptide cream, which I need. It's running low on. This one. And this one. Shout out to you, SkinFix. Thank you so much, and can't wait to continue using these products because my skin is what? Glowing right now.
Yeah.
I love it. Thank you so much, SkinFix.
Hey y'all.
Hey.
We are en route to a friend's birthday party, friend's mama's birthday party.
Yeah, Brendan's mom birthday party. I think it's her 60th birthday.
Okay.
So we're going. I know. So we're going to head to a birthday party.
Yep.
And we're on our way there now to Brooklyn. It's in downtown Brooklyn.
We have the busiest night planned
Yeah.
ahead of us, and I don't know how we're gonna make it. So Lord protect us, and I'm so excited to enjoy the night and be out in this cool weather. But it's gonna be a lot.
Okay, because his friend is in town visiting, and
Yes.
we have to go out to a party.
It's a lot of stuff.
I think it's like a Drake event or something like a
We're going
Drake.
to the club.
The club, only
Bounce
Drake
on-
music, so we're
Okay.
gonna go there and hear his music turn up because he's in town visiting from where, Colorado.
Yeah,
So-
visiting from, you know, so we gotta show love when the homies are in town and celebrate, pop some bottles. You already know what it is. So we'll see you at the party, y'all.
Hey guys, so we arrived to the event. We're here. We're still waiting on Brandon's mom.
Birthday celebration.
We're still waiting on Brandon's mom, so to surprise her when she walks in. He got a little cute little setup. The balloons back here. She's actually turning 50. I said 60.
Birthday vibes.
Like-
You said 60.
I know, so 50. I correct that, Monica. It's Monica 50.
I'm so sorry. Happy
I
birthday
know,
to
right?
you, Miss
Happy
Monica.
birthday to you. And Brandon's going to go get her now. She should be walking up soon. He been cooked and everything. Like he make like, you know, the dinner table. Got his little alcohols over here. Birthday cake, his grandma's here and all his family. So we're gonna turn up and we gotta see you at the next event, you guys.
See you there. birthday, girl. Okay, looking beautiful as ever. A whole audience in front of us. You know we like to look good. It's happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday. That's the only round I can do. Same.
We're on our way out.
Hey. On Sunday night, can you believe
Sunday night.
So weird.
We told you our week was so long, so we're out for tonight. We'll catch you guys inside.
Alright, y'all, we made it to the party.
Hey, we're here at the party. Disco vibes. See the vibe, catch the vibe.
It's Sunday night, chill vibe, free cocktails.